it is, right? Anything you want, it can be done through her. So I'm going to put her information down in the description. Also, come on, as a graphic designer. No,
it was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
No, I am a videographer, video editor, and an animator.
Yes.
I don't know graphic design, but if you know,
oh, you don't know? I thought everything came under that bracket. My apologies.
I kind of straight from graphic design.
What's up, YouTube?
So you never go to my camera. So I use
no, can we start yours already?
You see how they start this? No, I never want the energy. No, I never want that. So now use a little piece of phone. Everybody depend on them camera and everything. I know what over there, so I try to get good lighting. Hushberry, you have an skin like mine. Sorry. You can stand anywhere and get the caramel.
Now, what can you use your come and exfoliate your face, you know?
Use what?
You want to come and exfoliate your face. Yeah, is it?
I know you not put up your channel yourself.
Yes, you use your semen and wash your face so that you tell me.
Something alright, yeah.
Are you other way you tell me, you know?
Even more, I come and wash my face and my face. And my semen. So, I think I'm nobody else. Nobody else even not going to mind.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another Duttyberry Uncut video. And so today, I do not know what we are doing, but we're supposed to be going on the road to go and get some drink. And so right here, I have a little chihuahua. I have my two little chihuahua that I got next door at the animal shelter. And so over here, I don't know where the focus is going to end up. Oh, yes, it's over here. So her name is... What's her name? This is Rochielin. She's here today because, you know, she just kind of feel peckish. I'm say, alright, let me have some little stale food. Now just get a little thing so you can go and nourish yourself. And over here, over here you have the lovely Yola, aka for those who know, Yummy. And so these two lovely ladies will be taking us out, so you know, we'll get some food today because them sister, yo, we are hardworking, you know, gentlemen, and so they so
them are going on the thing.
Them are gonna use the money with them be making off our OnlyFans to actually be able to, like, you know, like treat us as like black kings.
Yeah, because at 2021 now the man them stop spending, the woman them time for spending.
Subscribe to
my me ready for my full cock up on dashboard, you know. Oh my god, wait. The two of them are dry. Jesus Christ, I feel like a bad bitch. The two of them are dry. Oh gosh. I get forgot my foot on dashboard. Bad like y'all in a blow. One day if you sign contract with a boo. Skin clean and you're not short and body tattoo. Which girl you want to? Yeah, I'm gonna get a light. Alright, so just reach. Rochelle there, she can come over here. And to rush. Where you care we go? Oh God. Which party I keep? Oh yeah. I gotta talk to the money. Alright.
Outside, we're not staying. We're not something
You know, honestly, I feel like when they are one of them clubs there, they don't like the States where they only put it in when you're hot enough.
Look, my friend, look for quality.
A few moments later.
And the outside full, and the outside they want there. Yeah, I know. Oh, okay. One of them job, man.
I'm mountain. He's going to open up upstage in Ocean 7. It's a very beautiful place. Have a nice outside area. You guys can come.
Yeah.
You can come to opening. Do something.
Rochielin, say X them. Say X them.
X over yourself.
You know what I'm gonna say, a clown? You're not afraid of clown.
So you're looking at me, I'm on it.
What you say?
One of our glorious place, yeah. We are ribbies and
wait, so everybody there is vlogging? No, I can't bother.
Be here people my bar, so we don't have to turn back and run out of the place.
Kolinski walking them slippers, I got the people them good for the place.
You smoke?
Wait, who smoke?
Come here now. People will not find out boy.
Yeah.
Duttyberry there, so you don't know Rochielin, so Yola up there, so we're up there at TGI now, TGI, and then we're going to go over crew.
My first time I got them place, I don't.
For me, yeah, me I'm a country boy, so I'm really too used to them things. Very to the car we used to drive the back in the days. Oh man, what about what, 1930?
I never know, you but... Listen, Rochelle, don't be rude here. Me strip and roll down the place up here, you know. We left from down at downtown Ribbies, come up here so at TGI, and somebody had a bright idea, so they never want but got TGI, they want to go crew. Rochielin over here, so because she is just miss indecisive. But I know make it stay so. So now we are going back to TGI.
Hear music of a crew somewhere.
I'm sure I'm going breastfeed everything I'm going so. So it look like every place we are going to a reservation because everywhere locked. Like everywhere just like lock up and only let in like a select amount of people.
More moments later.
So if we reach a Mayfair, I Mayfair this, the pub, I'm gonna see if we can park somewhere for get like a drinks and you know eat a little something and build a vibe. But boy, I don't know, I'm just frustrated about the fourth place this now we are trying. If this now work, what's sexy? Oh. If this not work out, we just, you know, just walk a roadside and you know.
And go sell down.
Yeah. Why don't we must make money in the night?
Yola, them are going to call and rush them all look up. But then again, me would be surprised if them want a man into.
You feel good with the slippers up here so now, Colin?
Yes.
Alright.
Tell them so we're blessed.
That's Yola, that's our record.
Yola, you know? Uptown walk. Watch her. Ready for fix me to show her uptown walk.
I'm not uptown.
Alright.
You see that? You put that hand on if I am not. Don't very uptown a while ago, Yola. Well, I am not uptown. Stop saying that. Say something more though.
Alright, medium, alright.
Very belly long, you know. So make sure it plays big like that table there. Oh,
you see all of them some there? What's your name? What's your name?
I am Nikki.
Nikki, okay.
I'm the daughter of Tina Stewart.
Okay, artist, okay. Okay.
Sing a little bit. No, but record me now.
Oh.
Don't look at Aisha, stand up on the table.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh no, them not what you want? Or are you the bad luck? Oh. Is it a boy or a girl?
Bye! Congrats again!
Is it a boy or a girl? Is it a boy or a girl? Oh, no lose, you lose. Remember earlier they said it was gonna be a girl? The psychic thing running. You said it was a girl. You said girl, Colin.
I'm girl, I got up, you know.
Huh?
I'm girl, baby, I got up, right?
No, it's okay, good, no problem, so I'll take it.
You know, so I always think my brethren them are womanized enough. A boy picking them get things. No lie. Two of them get girl and one get boy. I'm lucky.
No, I'll say that, man.
The one they make a sword, now end up get a twin or girl.
You know that you're not believing that, Rochelle.
Why will you have the phone in
Wait,
the
see how I
bath?
me I do.
You that jerk off and the phone dropping at the bum bar bath.
Yola, do I look like somebody who would jerk off while my friends are in the living room?
Yeah, you do.
Rochielin, do I look like somebody who would be pleasuring themselves while my friends are in the living room?
Yes.
Rochielin, don't do that. Do I look like?
You know what going?
I was not doing that. I was listening a podcast and I was taking a shower. So
but why? Me know what the business.
You said I'm not disgusting, so?
Yeah, you know what? I'm outside, I don't care.
Say your friends that we that there in your yard and you that in the bathroom of that, and we come there for shoot a video.
I think you would.
No, I would.
I think he would. I don't think you would.
Rochielin, would you do something like that if you felt like you needed to just like enjoy yourself?
Jerk off.
Flip the bean.
You flip the bean.
Larry just know what flip the bean means, innit? Him never know what flip the bean.
No, people, please tell me it's not me alone never know that there is something called
Flicking the bean.
Flicking the bean. Alright, so they're talking about tampons and we have no clue. Look at Kolinski's face. He's trying to he might try to understand, but he don't really understand.
For the first time.
How we this? Oh, so the food is here.
Some of the food, not all of it.
Oh, some. So we get the food in our pod. Thank you. Thank you.
Girl, your one is right.
I wait alone never Berry.
What?
I wait alone never.
Yeah, I really feel fussy.
I'm not just scared.
Unless you really want it by something.
Wipe up my face.
I want and then come back.
Take a picture with
Oh, if you don't know him, though, like, honest. No, listen. He's you know, you don't want him. He's a porn star. In the blues. You get me in the States.
God, no, you see, she lies. Wipe up my face. Very nice. You look like 25.
No, I'm saying I need to watch on a film stuff them.
My daughter is 28.
Wait, what? 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 What?
Grandmother too.
What?
No, I don't believe that one. They look young too. Are they daughter them taking?
One daughter, one son, 20 years apart.
Whoa.
Mommy, I need a baby. Shanti is to me with my brother.
Berry, here.
No, shut up your mouth. No, man, you look great. No, man, you look good. No, but no, big man thing, you look good. Yeah, no, man, you look good. No, you look good. Can you stop? You know, our daughter is not going to.
Sorry.
Our daughter is.
The monkey is good.
Moage. So are you first before me first it?
You know
some. And when me dip in a phone things now you got ear.
No, them like when them things get deep in. Them like when them things get deep in.
Alright, so what are you drinking? I'm saying, go on. What you got drink?
This is the Smush Malish liquor.
What are you drinking? What are you eating and what are you drinking?
Rum punch, and I'm having curry chicken strips with rice and mashed potatoes.
Okay, Yola, what are you drinking?
A raspberry.
Oh, anything in berry tastes good. Ah!
Is that the word on the street?
Hey! Shut your mouth. You just want to wash off.
You want wash off?
You just want to wash off, that's all. Let's take a wash off of my face basin.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Oh, sorry. It's a raspberry cosmopolitan.
Okay.
Cosmopolitan.
Kolinski don't know how to spell them already, but that's where you go.
C-O.
Alright, so there you know a while ago, and the Lord blessed Kolinski a while ago, and Rochielin left a little food offering. And I'm a little plate, so I'm grateful for that. Thank you very much, Auntie Carol, Uncle Kolinski. Thank you very much. And over here, so you see she's quiet. And she eat the most food, look on her plate. Look on her plate over here, so it's full. Oh, I love the light here. How we are called cheap? No, I love the light. I keep the light there, Rochelle.
For all of the YouTube money we all make, are you pay for that bill?
No, man. I can't serve.
Oh, you get give me a burger.
Yo, the couple year, man, like, when our couple's gold. You don't should do it, should I put a piece of the burger in your mouth and then she eat off from the other side. That would be nice. Wanna do it for you now? I'm gonna put a piece of the burger in a female mouth and then you're gonna bite off piece. Come on, man. Come on, Kolinski, you're gonna say no to it. Alright.
I love this up.
I love this, man. Oh God, I feel liquor already. Wow. Yeah, man, I feel it, man. Yo, ho, 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 ho.
Look at me now.
No, man, this strong. When you don't know Long Island, you know. When you don't know Long Island is literally, I feel it already.
People, Berry say I feel the liquor. Look at how much Berry drink. When
you don't know Long Island. When you don't know.
And then I reach out, this is my 6 cup.
I tell you, when you don't know, it's a long, you ever have Long Island before? It's strong. Long Island strong.
It tastes a long. It tastes a long Rochielin.
That's what I give Rochelle, yes.
And an island.
And an island. Oh.
Yeah, man.
Is it tastes nice.
Strong man, you have to have strong back, man. It's strong, man. Tell you, man. You see, Kolinski could have Long Island. Like one in Long Island, you drop a ground. You drop a ground.
Let me tell you something, NSA got you.
Okay, NSC? Wow.
Yes.
Fuck it, okay. Alright, so it's done. So it's a moment of truth that Kolinski will be paying for everybody, him and Rochielin, because they are the godparents of the group. So me and Yola, we're just going to sit back, relax, and enjoy because we're not paying for nothing. I'm a little bit drunk. But cheers, hold on. Can we cheers on camera? Hopefully it's sketch. We're going to pretend say I got a bathroom or jump fence.
What? Let's keep the box for me till I'm
hold on, I'm going to steal one of this for Kolinski.
You're not giving nothing. That's what I mean, right?
No, man.
Right?
No, well, he's not leaving any tip for you? Kolinski come from foreign.
This? Oh shit. But they need to put in an order or something, you know.
Kolinski come from foreign, the US dollars, the US currency.
No pressure, I forget.
No man, she need a tip. We can't do that. Look on the good customer service so we get Kolinski.
Empty. You have to cheers with empty glass.
Alright, so cheers everyone. Cheers to long life and prosperity and wealth and riches.
I'm very paid for the bill.
We not pay for the bill. And you come from France, and you have paid. Now one more time.
Oh, we need a clip too.
Out for story, me just repost it. I can't believe I'm a little bit tipsy. A little bit.
Alright, ready?
Cheers to...
Barry say I'm gonna pay for the bill.
No.
Oh wait, a boomerang, you try a boomerang? Alright, hurry up. Yo, I be a creator. I can't afford creators, you know?
Yeah, because everybody I record.
Jesus, please.
I'm not pay because Rochielin cover me.
Yeah, how much was it? 9 flat?
Rochielin, you covering for me, right? Rochielin.
So I would put...
Rochelle, you covering for me, right?
I'm gonna put 200 on the tip.
You can't be a gentleman one time.
Yeah, but I told you I was leaving from my house, I never carry my wallet, never carry anything, so I really don't have anything. And you said that you would cover it. You say that the food and the drinks is for us. And I just figured that if I'm walking with, you know, Auntie Carol.
The first round of drinks are on her.
That means, oh,
so the drinks I'm covered.
That's what she said.
oh.
How many are worried?
Why we're in the camper?
Why we can wash plate?
Yo, honestly, I am getting tipsy.
I want that really up there. If they can't pay the bill, then they can really bring the wash.
You on track? It'll be good for the video.
Curious. They love it though. $15.
Rochielin pretty when ready, you know?
Yeah, I beg him on something, you know. Rush. The mask now stop corrupt now, you hear?
Maybe at the bread. Maybe at the bread. As much in there. Yo, that's why good for your friend to have money, you know, because Kolinski there and him say him gonna pay for all the way right here, so this is such a braff, like a one thing. When you're part with Colin never make you pay him, cover for everybody who are part of the crew. Always, you know, say anybody. What?
It's a cheap man and I say to stop cheap.
The video footage, where did I say a while ago?
It's one camera, the quick. Hold on there. What? Oh wait, not the pass no more. That's good. I think that with the recording a while ago. Why no rush? Talk the things then. They don't know what I'm going to do.
I'm too cheap man, but I like cheap man now. You're not too cheap, so.
And you make so much hundreds of thousands of dollars upon you.
You know, understand, you know, because remember, you know, my mother, you know, she have to relocate and I have to take money spent on like the house and buy the block of cement and everything, you know, easy, you know, man.
That's why you build the house.
You know, easy.
That's why you build the house.
Over Port Royal, man.
Over Port Royal?
Yeah, man, because the house them cheap over there, so you don't understand the foundation and everything. You get me? Another day, I have to get a whole new elbow. A whole new elbow a while ago, and the surgery. Surgery, I have to fly up at $2.4 million. I have to find the money quick and fast.
You have to find it quick and fast.
Quick and fast, man. You know, easy, man. You know, easy.
You could have planned it, you never have to go for me, so you have money more.
Exactly.
Well, so no, I'm a little contacts them, I'm there for a riff-raff. I'm there for shout, Yola, give me a little 1.5. Simple. We can trust? We can trust?
You don't like me, no?
No.
I lie now, I have to sign, so I go see it.
Yo, Kolinski, me and the woman have to fight him for a little tip a while ago. So you stay?
Very. In people can give you a little $1,000, you see?
Little? No, you're doing that now, doing little. No, I'm not feeling away. You are very nice.
No, like, because I said,
Honestly, if I never 5,000 I know, you probably not get it. If I never 5,000 I know, because that's not nothing to me right now. Like 5,000 is nothing to me. I just become only left with like a $2,000. You get me? That's not a peer pressure.
Like one and give me 1,000 for going.
Not you. No, but I've always been kind. I've always been kind. You see all them so continue talking. Yeah. Yeah, you see them some of the.
Don't get here $1,000 more, bear. Come on. Here $1,000.
Bet.
Bet. $1,000 more.
I not have $1,000 for me. That's the only thing. If I left my house with it, I have it. Alright, if you want to make them trust with me. If you want to trust me with it.
I'm just seeing if it takes good. Okay.
Yo, my drone.
Just get the phone, so. Come here, very nice.
Oh, we have to take picture. No man, if you want me to start, I can. No man. Oh, record.
You know, you're going to want one with everybody too, cause after you're going to remember, you're going to realize.
I'll post it and say, oh, one of my supporters. The berry drop. The berries drop.
Church out there.
We have to try to keep a little half distance.
You smell nice.
What?
I'm not
Oh, Fidel said that all. Wait, so no. Whoa. Say that. We smell good.
Thank you, I'm here.
Thank you.
Alright, Barry.
Nice meeting.
What's your name again?
We can't come see you guys.
Of course.
See them? That's what my thing was sometimes they like going with it.
Oi, so that's it. Finally leaving. I'm pretty sure I'm very, very drunkish right now. Oh my god. Ugh. Alright, give me a little move, yeah. Alright. The two Instagram dancer them. Ravers. Alright. Yeah. Head top now. Yeah, where Kolinski there? Man, him there bathroom, I help himself, you know. The two are like... Wait, the two are the same height? Or Yola a little bit taller?
So, Mark.
Alright, well, that is it for this Duttyberry Uncut video. It is the end. We finally stopped off at the pub. This is Mayfair. So, yeah, we look at food, we drink, we have good conversation. It was great.
Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Kolinski.
Also, make sure you subscribe to all of my friends I'm right here. So, I'm going to say appear ambitious and successful and beautiful friends I have right here. So, you have Yola. Yola Moy. You have Rochielin over here. So, you have the general over here.
You don't know Kolinski, you don't know Nation.
Yeah, man. One Simlink girl. You know.
I can't do very, you know.
We talk rainwater.
Exactly.
Over here, so the girl here, she know off road, man. No man not run her. This is Rochielin, you get me? Amen. Boss lady.
Yes.
But Yola money.
Yeah, my name like a load up, yummy gummy.
Yummy gummy.
Yummy gum. So. But anyway, peace out and I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you say you like, you share, you comment, you subscribe. Until next time, we do another Duttyberry Uncut video. Peace out. Bye-bye.
Alright, see you.